real-time engagement. Each session we host is a chance for you to see the system in action, ask questions, and greatest market trends and learning alongside other traders who share the same goals. When you subscribe and set up notifications, you make it easy to join us every day, ready to learn and trade with confidence. Our community is always growing, and by subscribing, you're becoming an essential part of it. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. By joining our daily live sessions, you're developing habits that align with professional trading, staying informed, patient, and prepared for every opportunity. Subscribing ensures that this becomes part of your routine, giving you the edge that comes with constant exposure to market analysis and expert insights. Remember, our sessions aren't just about following along with my trades. They're designed to teach you how to read the market and use this system independently. When you subscribe, you're investing in your own trading skills and taking steps to become more confident and capable. And when the notification bell is on, you're ensuring that you don't miss a single moment of learning. So go ahead, take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It only takes a few seconds, but it guarantees you're with us every day, learning, trading, and growing together. Join us as we continue to navigate the markets, review trades, and prepare for new opportunities. We're live daily, and we want you to be there with us, fully equipped and engaged. Thank you for your continued support, and I'm excited to see more of you joining our sessions regularly. Let's keep pushing forward, learning from each session, and staying ready for the next market move. Hit subscribe, press that notification bell, and we'll see you in our daily live streams. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and let's make the most out of every trading day. All right, everyone. Now that you're part of our daily community, it's time to shift our focus back to where it matters most, the system and the market. This is where we put all our preparation into action. We're not here to rush into trades. We're here to make smart, strategic decisions that align with what the system tells us. I want you to watch closely, stay alert, and be prepared to take the next signal that the system presents. Right now, we're waiting for that perfect moment, and it's important to stay engaged and attentive. The system is designed to give us clear, actionable signals, but it's up to us to stay ready and disciplined. It's easy to get distracted or lose focus when the market seems to be moving slowly, but these moments of waiting are where we build the discipline that sets successful traders apart. Stay sharp, stay engaged, and keep your eyes on the screen. Remember, the system has been built to remove ambiguity from trading. It's structured to guide you step by step, from identifying a trend to confirming the perfect entry point. Whether you're looking at those trend lines, the Fibonacci levels, or waiting for the green or red arrow backed by a corresponding candlestick, trust that the system is doing the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to overthink it. Just observe and follow along. Let's take a deep breath and refocus. Picture yourself taking that next trade, not out of impulse, but with confidence and clarity, because the system aligns perfectly. The reason I emphasize following the system is simple. It's proven, it's reliable, and it's objective. When I take a trade, it's not me making the call based on a gut feeling. It's the system confirming that the conditions are right. And when that signal comes, I want you to be ready to act with the same level of confidence. While we wait for the next setup, stay attentive to how the market behaves around those key support and resistance zones. Is it bouncing off, consolidating, or showing signs of a breakout? These are the subtle movements that tell the story of where the market might be headed. The system is watching all of this, and soon enough, it will give us the signal we're waiting for. When it does, don't hesitate. Take the trade confidently, knowing you have a strong process behind you. Keep in mind, when that green arrow or red arrow appears, it's not just a visual cue, it's the culmination of numerous market factors coming together. You should be thinking, this is it. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Check the candlestick color for confirmation, glance at the Fibonacci levels to see if they support the move, and make sure the trade aligns with the trend shown by the system's trend lines. These steps create a powerful checklist that removes doubt and builds trust in your decision making. I want you to stay engaged and involved as we wait. This isn't passive observation. This is active learning. Each tick of the market is an opportunity to see how different elements align and react. If you're following along and taking notes, write down what you observe about current market behavior. Are we seeing any patterns forming? Is there hesitation or momentum building? These are the small details that help you understand why the system signals a trade when it does. When that next signal comes, remind yourself that you're not just clicking buy or sell because I am. You're doing it because the system has confirmed it's a smart, strategic move. This system isn't just another tool, it's a complete approach to trading that prioritizes discipline, consistency, and clarity. When we trade together, we're reinforcing the idea that success comes from following a proven plan, not from reacting emotionally. I know it can be tempting to want immediate results, especially when you're live and ready. But remember, this is where patience pays off. Every great trader knows that waiting for the right moment is as important as the trade itself. The market will show its hand, and when it does, we'll be there, ready to take action with confidence. That's the beauty of sticking with a structured system. It eliminates the noise and keeps you focused on what matters. So let's all stay sharp, stay ready, and wait for that next signal together. When it comes, we'll be prepared to act, not just as individual traders, but as part of a discipline-focused community that trusts the system. Keep watching, keep learning, and let's make the most of every moment we have in the market. Stay with me and be prepared to take that trade when the system gives us the go-ahead. This is where patience, discipline, and focus come together to create successful trading experiences. All right, everyone, let's shift our attention to what's happening in the market right now. We're in a live market session, and this is where things get exciting. The Forex market is dynamic, constantly changing, and filled with opportunities that can appear at any moment. Today's market movement is especially important as we watch the charts closely for the system signals. Take a moment to observe the price action unfolding right now, whether we're seeing strong bullish momentum, a slow consolidation phase, or sudden shifts that indicate potential reversals. Every tick of movement matters. This is the real-time analysis that helps us understand where the market is heading. Today, we're seeing fluctuations that could set the stage for some solid entries, so stay alert and be ready. Keep in mind that this is not just another day in the market. It's a chance to put our strategy into practice as it happens. You're watching the system work in real time, evaluating trend lines, candlestick patterns, and Fibonacci levels as the market moves. This is the heartbeat of Forex trading, and right now, we're a part of it. If you've been with us in past sessions, you know how important it is to stay focused during live market hours. Today is no different. We're watching for the system's clear signals, a green arrow for a buy or a red arrow for a sell, combined with confirming candlestick colors. These are the moments when preparation meets opportunity, and the system will guide us to make smart strategic moves. Notice how the market is behaving around key support and resistance levels today. Are we seeing bounces, breakouts, or a battle between buyers and sellers? This context is crucial as it helps frame the signals we might receive. Stay observant and let the system guide your understanding. Today's live market action is the perfect time to see how these principles play out in real time. If you're new here or just starting to learn how the system works, today's market session is a valuable learning experience. You'll see firsthand how we wait for full confirmation, how we avoid jumping into trades prematurely, and why patience is a trader's best friend. When the system gives us a signal today, you'll understand the reasoning behind it and why it's a good move. For those of you who've been following for a while, you know how important it is to let the system do its job. Today's market conditions might be different from yesterday's, but the principles remain the same. The system is designed to adapt, filtering through market noise and identifying the best moments to act. As we watch together, take mental notes of how the market reacts and how the system responds. Live market sessions like today are where we test our discipline. There may be moments of quick movement or periods where the market stalls. No matter what, we don't let impatience dictate our trades. We wait for the system to tell us when to move, and we do so with confidence. This is where your trading habits are formed. So stay engaged and learn from each minute we're in this live session. Take this opportunity to be fully present. Watch the charts, observe the behavior of currency pairs, and see how they align with the system's criteria. This is the best way to get comfortable with the process and understand what a solid setup looks like. We're in this together, analyzing the market as it shifts and waiting for the best possible entries. Today's live market movement is full of potential. We're here not just to watch, but to act when the moment is right. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and be ready to move when the system gives the signal. This is the essence of trading: watching, waiting, and then seizing the opportunity when it arises. Let's keep our eyes on the screen and make the most out of today's live market action. Welcome, everyone. Decisions. Right now, as you can see, we're waiting for the system to confirm our next trade. Patience is key in trading. Never rush a trade because jumping in without confirmation can be risky. Always remember the golden rule: do not buy at resistance levels or sell at support levels. This system will help you identify these zones and avoid those costly mistakes. One of the primary principles of this trading strategy is buying when prices are low and selling when they rise. It sounds simple, right? But in practice, it can be tricky. This system is designed to simplify that process and make it more intuitive. As you follow along, you'll notice that it incorporates clear indicators and visual aids that guide your decisions. You won't need to guess or overthink your moves. That's what makes this system so wonderful. It takes the complex and makes it manageable so you can trade confidently and effectively. Let's talk about our earlier trades. As you can see, they're currently in profit. It's always satisfying to see your analysis pay off. And with this system, you can better anticipate such moments. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of trading by providing clear, straightforward signals. Now we're simply waiting for the market to confirm our next move. And that's a critical aspect of trading with discipline: patience and waiting for the right confirmation signal before taking action. This helps reduce emotional trading, which is often a trader's downfall. Over on the left side of the screen, you'll notice the trend lines that appear across all time frames. These trend lines are essential as they give us a clearer picture of the market's overall direction. Whether you're looking at a 1 minute, 1 hour, or daily chart, having that multi-time frame analysis right at your fingertips is crucial for making informed decisions. It ensures that you're not just focused on short-term price action, but considering the bigger picture as well. Now let's shift to the right side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. This panel is where we receive our real-time trading signals. The system will indicate whether we should wait, buy, or sell. It's an intuitive interface designed to make your trading decisions smoother. For example, when we see a green arrow followed by a green candlestick, that's our cue to buy. On the flip side, if a red arrow is confirmed by a red candlestick, it's time to sell. These visual signals are incredibly useful, especially for those who may still be learning the ropes. The system doesn't just help you execute trades, it also trains you to develop good trading habits. By following its cues, you're learning how to wait for proper confirmations and not just rush into trades. This process helps you stay disciplined and avoid impulse trading, which can be detrimental to your success. The combination of trend analysis on the left and actionable signals on the right makes it a holistic trading tool that adapts to your strategy. To make this system even easier to integrate, consider using it alongside your own analysis. This isn't a replacement for learning about market structure and price action, but rather an enhancement. As you use the system more frequently, you'll find that your ability to interpret market signals improves over time. The insights it provides can act as a guide, confirming your analysis and giving you confidence to enter or exit a trade at the right moment. In conclusion, this trading system is a reliable companion in the world of Forex. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and powerful enough to align with both beginner and experienced traders' needs. So, as we wait for the current market signal to confirm, remember to approach every trade with patience, discipline, and the understanding that consistency in following your plan is what leads to long-term success. Let's keep our eyes on the screen for that next green or red signal, and when it comes, we'll be ready to act decisively. Stay tuned, and let's make those trades count. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for tuning in today and joining me as we walk through this powerful Forex trading system. I'm excited to share how this tool can enhance your trading strategies and improve your market decisions. Right now, as you can see, we're waiting for the system to confirm our next trade. Patience is key in trading. Never rush a trade because jumping in without confirmation can be risky. Always remember the golden rule: do not buy at resistance levels or sell at support levels. This system will help you identify these zones and avoid those costly mistakes. One of the primary principles of this trading strategy is buying when prices are low and selling when they rise. It sounds simple, right? But in practice, it can be tricky. This system is designed to simplify that process and make it more intuitive. As you follow along, you'll notice that it incorporates clear indicators and visual aids that guide your decisions. You won't need to guess or overthink your moves. That's what makes this system so wonderful. It takes the complex and makes it manageable so you can trade confidently and effectively. Let's talk about our earlier trades. As you can see, they're currently in profit. It's always satisfying to see your analysis pay off. And with this system, you can better anticipate such moments. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of trading by providing clear, straightforward signals. Now we're simply waiting for the market to confirm our next move. And that's a critical aspect of trading with discipline: patience and waiting for the right confirmation signal before taking action. This helps reduce emotional trading, which is often a trader's downfall. Over on the left side of the screen, you'll notice the trend lines that appear across all time frames. These trend lines are essential as they give us a clearer picture of the market's overall direction. Whether you're looking at a 1 minute, 1 hour, or daily chart, having that multi-time frame analysis right at your fingertips is crucial for making informed decisions. It ensures that you're not just focused on short-term price action, but considering the bigger picture as well. Now let's shift to the right side of the screen. This is where we receive our real-time trading signals. The system will indicate whether we should wait, buy, or sell. It's an intuitive interface designed to make your trading decisions smoother. For example, when we see a green arrow followed by a green candlestick, that's our cue to buy. On the flip side, if a red arrow is confirmed by a red candlestick, it's time to sell. These visual signals are incredibly useful, especially for those who may still be learning the ropes. The system doesn't just help you execute trades, it also trains you to develop good trading habits. By following its cues, you're learning how to wait for proper confirmations and not just rush into trades. This process helps you stay disciplined and avoid impulse trading, which can be detrimental to your success. The combination of trend analysis on the left and actionable signals on the right makes it a holistic trading tool that adapts to your strategy. To make this system even easier to integrate, consider using it alongside your own analysis. This isn't a replacement for learning about market structure and price action, but rather an enhancement. As you use the system more frequently, you'll find that your ability to interpret market signals improves over time. The insights it provides can act as a guide, confirming your analysis and giving you confidence to enter or exit a trade at the right moment. In conclusion, this trading system is a reliable companion in the world of Forex. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and powerful enough to align with both beginner and experienced traders' needs. So, as we wait for the current market signal to confirm, remember to approach every trade with patience, discipline, and the understanding that consistency in following your plan is what leads to long-term success. Let's keep our eyes on the screen for that next green or red signal, and when it comes, we'll be ready to act decisively. Stay tuned, and let's make those trades count. Great to have everyone still with me as we dive deeper into the intricate workings of this powerful trading system. One of the key elements that truly sets this system apart is its seamless integration of Fibonacci levels. If you're familiar with Fibonacci retracements, you know they are a vital tool for identifying potential support and resistance levels. In this system, those Fibonacci levels aren't just static lines, they're integrated directly into the system's signals to help you better understand market corrections and continuation points. So, don't take your eyes off the screen. This is where things get really interesting. Fibonacci levels play a significant role in determining whether a trade is worth taking or if it needs to be approached with caution. The system overlays these retracement levels onto the charts, aligning them with the trend lines you see on the left side of the screen. This helps you gauge where potential price reversals could occur. For instance, if the system signals a buy, but the price is near a strong Fibonacci resistance, you may want to hold off or wait for extra confirmation before committing. This kind of foresight keeps you from entering trades that could turn against you unexpectedly. What makes this system unique is how it uses Fibonacci levels not just for reactive analysis, but as proactive indicators for trade setups. Imagine this. A green arrow appears, suggesting a buy signal. The system immediately highlights where that entry point falls within the Fibonacci levels, perhaps aligning with the 38.2% or 50% retracement from a prior high. When this matches up with other indicators, it acts as a strong confirmation that the market is likely to move in your favor. It's this layered approach that makes it so reliable and keeps your analysis one step ahead. Now, if you're watching the screen, you'll notice that we are still waiting for our next confirmed trade. This isn't wasted time, it's critical observation time. With each moment the market moves, you're gathering valuable information. Notice how the system interacts with current price action in relation to the Fibonacci lines. When those retracement levels align with other key elements, such as trend lines or moving averages, it becomes a strong signal to act. Stay focused and ready because the next few minutes could present that perfect setup we're waiting for. Let me emphasize why this is so important. Without the added layer of Fibonacci analysis, you're often flying blind when it comes to understanding how far a market might correct before resuming its trend. This system does that thinking for you. By integrating Fibonacci levels automatically, you're not left scrambling to draw them out manually or second guessing their placement. Instead, you can trust that the system has identified these levels correctly, freeing up your mental bandwidth to focus on execution and strategy. This is especially valuable when trading volatile markets where quick decisions need to be made. The system's integration, even in fast-paced scenarios, you can make educated decisions without hesitation. For example, if a red arrow appears for a sell signal and the price is testing a major Fibonacci level, this is where discipline and patience come into play. The system gives you the tools, but it's up to you to wait for that alignment of conditions. If we see that happen on the screen soon, you'll see just how smoothly this all comes together. Keep your eyes on the signals. When that green arrow appears after a retracement to a strong Fibonacci level, combined with a confirming green candlestick, it's go time. This multi-layered confirmation is what boosts your confidence and prevents false entries. It's a bit like having a second pair of expert eyes on the market at all times. You're not just reacting to a single signal. You're waiting for a confluence of factors that work together for a stronger, more reliable entry or exit point. As you continue to watch the screen, remember that this isn't just about taking trades, it's about learning. Each setup, whether we take the trade or not, is a lesson in market behavior and system interaction. The more you pay attention, the more you'll see patterns emerge, both in price action and how the system responds to it. This is invaluable for developing your own intuition and strategy, which will benefit you long after the session ends. And finally, consider how this approach helps you avoid common trading pitfalls. Entering trades based on a single indicator often leads to inconsistency, but using a system that integrates Fibonacci levels ensures you have additional checkpoints. It reinforces rushing, but waiting for all elements to align in your favor. This way, when the system finally signals a trade, you can act swiftly, knowing you've got multiple layers of confirmation on your side. So stay tuned, keep watching, and be ready to move when the system gives us that go ahead. The market is constantly shifting, and that perfect moment may be just around the corner. The integration of Fibonacci levels is just one part of what makes this system so comprehensive and dependable. Let's stay focused and keep our eyes open for the signal we've been waiting for. Let's take a moment to discuss one of the most popular indicators in trading, the Relative Strength Index, RSI. For those familiar with it, RSI is used to measure the strength and speed of a market's price movements, typically signaling overbought or oversold conditions. However, this system we're showcasing today has reimagined how we identify those critical market conditions, effectively rendering the RSI indicator unnecessary. I know that's a bold statement, but bear with me as I explain why this is a game changer. Traditionally, RSI helps traders understand when a currency pair is either overbought or oversold, signaling potential reversals. But here's the problem. RSI, like many indicators, can be lagging and sometimes misleading when used alone. You might find that RSI tells you the market is overbought, yet prices continue climbing, leading to missed opportunities or premature exits. This system integrates more advanced real-time analysis tools, replacing RSI with a more dynamic and reliable confirmation process that gives you actionable insights without the guesswork. The integrated trading signals in this system provide an updated and refined approach to identifying market momentum and potential reversals. Unlike RSI, which can often produce false signals, this system uses a combination of trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and candlestick confirmations to determine genuine overbought or oversold conditions. For example, a green arrow accompanied by a green candlestick acts as a clear, immediate signal for a buy without needing to cross-check RSI levels. This speeds up your decision making and ensures you're trading on the most relevant data. One significant downside of RSI is that it operates on a scale that may not take into full account the broader market context. While RSI may show overbought conditions at a level of 70, the market might still have a lot of upward momentum left. This is where an integrated approach of this system proves superior. It not only looks at potential overbought conditions, but places them within a larger framework of multi-time frame trend analysis and Fibonacci confirmations. This way, you're not just reacting to one number, but taking a more holistic approach to your trades. The system also helps eliminate the noise that can come with RSI. RSI is known for generating signals that are subject to interpretation, which can lead to second guessing your decisions. This system simplifies that process. By automating signals based on preset clear-cut criteria, you remove the ambiguity. For example, if the system indicates that the conditions for a sell are met, such as a red arrow, a red candlestick, and alignment with a resistance level, you can act with greater confidence without worrying about whether RSI readings confirm your decision. Another compelling reason this system outshines RSI is its ability to factor in real-time market sentiment more effectively. RSI doesn't adapt as quickly to sudden changes in momentum or breakout conditions. It lags behind. This system, however, uses dynamic inputs that continuously monitor price action, making it faster and more responsive. When combined with the Fibonacci levels and trend lines we've discussed, It provides an up-to-date, multifaceted view of the market, making RSI's simple oscillation seem rudimentary in comparison. You may also appreciate that the system signals are less prone to false positives, a common issue with RSI. How many times have you seen RSI dip below 30 or soar above 70, only to watch the market barely react? This system goes beyond that by requiring the alignment of multiple factors before confirming an entry. So while RSI might indicate an oversold market, this system will only signal a buy if it coincides with a green arrow, a supporting Fibonacci level, and other conditions. This method significantly reduces false signals and increases the reliability of each trade. Let's not forget how this system streamlines the learning curve for new traders. RSI, while effective when understood, requires some level of skill and experience to use properly. Misinterpretation can lead to losses. This system's clear, intuitive interface helps mitigate that issue by providing a direct wait, buy, or sell signal. You don't need to overanalyze or wonder if RSI levels are telling the whole story, because the system already factors in comprehensive, data-backed analysis. Moreover, the system incorporates other indicators and tools that complement each other in a way RSI simply cannot. By integrating trend lines and Fibonacci levels seamlessly, you're not relying on a single metric to gauge market conditions. RSI, being one-dimensional, misses out on these layered insights. This system, however, provides a multidimensional view of the market, making it far more powerful for traders who want to maximize their strategies and reduce unnecessary risks. In conclusion, while RSI has its place and can be useful in certain strategies, this system has taken Forex trading to the next level by replacing the need for RSI altogether. It does so by integrating advanced tools and criteria that offer more comprehensive and reliable confirmations. You're no longer second guessing your trades or waiting for RSI levels to align.